Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tournament video. In the video we headed out to Boeuf River near Huber, Louisiana, about 30 minutes away from the house. The river looks a lot different there than it does here closer to the house. It's a lot water, a lot deeper, really good fishing. Morning started out kind of rainy and gloomy a little bit. It stormed on us when we launched the boat, kind of delayed the takeoff a little bit, but wasn't able to record first thing in the morning. I missed a few bites on the crankbait. I believe our first couple of fish came on a 6 cents prawn, flipping it around the cypress trees and small laydowns. I kind of picked up a jig trying to get a bigger bite, and I noticed when I was swimming the jig back, as you'll see in the video, I had one kind of hit it as I was swimming back. So that kind of kept me in a little bit, maybe pick up another moving bait. So I picked up the spinnerbait, and like after that, it was almost like every cast we were just getting bit. Wasn't able to get every fish catch in the video. Just it was starting. I think the video's around 23 minutes. It got kind of lengthy a little bit, and I didn't want to keep making it longer. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure, if you haven't already, to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I try to make my bait hit the square bill and stuff. I try to make it hit the tree, because a lot of times when it hits that little tree and changes that quick direction, is when you get bit.
Heck yeah, or whenever it bounces over a log under the water. Like that's why I like lipless cranks so much, man.
Those are real good in like grass.
Good in grass, rocks, bouncing it around, yo-yoing it back to you.
Grandpa used to have the power poles on here, but he took them off because he was big on crappie fishing, so he couldn't get under the trees like how he wanted. Because they would hit. They're the big ones too, not the little ones. So he took them off. Oh my god, dude! I just got slammed.
All right, we have got to hook one of these things, man.
Got me a rod that I don't know if you ever heard of arc rods. Well, they're a rod brand, and I think I have like two.
Okay.
I think he's too small though.
It's gonna be close.
I think he's too small.
Yeah.
Number one though. I throw him on there just in case, but I think he's too small. The carpet is soaking wet. No, he's too short.
What was it like?
He's 11.
11?
10 and a half, 11. Good little one though.
Mosquito got you good.
Yeah.
That freaking branch right there is messing up.
I think he had one.
I didn't even put any pressure on it. You ever wonder how many fish like that you can't see that's been following your bait, or how many close calls you had that you'll never know about?
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
I just got slammed. Out of my line, hit the fish.
About to make a swap.
I think I'm gonna take that half ounce. You bit. Think about taking that half ounce jig off and putting a little bit lighter one on.
Right.
The only thing. Oh.
Yep. That counts, buddy.
Oh, that one should measure. Definitely want to get rid of him though. We don't want that one. But
Why?
no, I'm saying like by the end of the day we want to cull him out.
Oh yeah, no joke. That dirty water's got him all washed out. Color wise. Or is that how they usually look in Boeuf?
No, that muddy water's got him a little pale. He should measure.
A lot easier.
There's number one.
Hell yeah.
God, they're just so freaking small. Yeah. He should keep, I think.
Yeah, that'll keep. I'll give you $10 if it doesn't. I'm sorry, 5. It gave me 5 and change. I was like, thanks for the 5.
God, dude, that's gonna be close. I don't know if he's gonna keep.
Yep.
Barely.
Told you.
Keeper number 2. We got 2 fish for 2 pounds right there. I ain't trying to do another 5 fish, 5.
5 pounds.
Yeah, I ain't trying to do that again. Something else busting over there. Yeah, freaking cast right there. I pulled it over. I felt a little, like came over a limb. As soon as it hit the limb, picked it up, didn't film my line, picked it up again. It was swimming sideways. Here we go. Yeah.
That's, I mean, you're almost guaranteed a bite whenever it rolls over a log under the water and you feel it falling.
I know. Alright. Not doing too bad, I guess, but I definitely got to get some size.
Right.
A lot of these guys, they're good fishermen.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Which I like. I like fishing against people like that are, like, you know, like when you pull up, you're like, oh yeah, they're gonna catch them.
Right.
But I want to get to that point. That one that was just biting her, that kind of almost felt like a catfish.
Yeah. Dude, I was fishing with this guy from Angus last summer. He's using a crawl and he caught a flathead.
Like a fake crawl?
Yeah, a fake crawl.
Me and my dad. Oh.
Oh.
Look what it is. Did I caught?
Warmouth?
Yeah, I caught some of these the other day, dude.
Fat. Hey man, I think that's what I hooked into. Whenever I thought it was a small bass, that's exactly what it looks like.
Them things are so pretty, dude.
He's so pretty. That'd go in my fish tank if I still had one.
He's fat.
Yeah,
Maybe up there spawning. I caught 2 big ones last weekend when I was fishing.
Yeah.
I thought it had me like when they hit it, do they knock some fire into it?
They're so aggressive. If those got the size of bass,
Oh, yeah,
man,
dude.
we'd be in business.
Oh, dude, he freaking... I thought I had a giant, dude. Ah, he's stuck in the trolling motor. Oh, I hooked him on the top of the head. That's fine. That's why he felt like he was huge. Sorry, little buddy. I know that hurt. I thought I had a giant.
Dude, the way you hooked him, man.
We were like just dump out. Anyway. It sounded like a big one, didn't it?
It did.
So read it.
Alice went on floating down Buffalo one time and
Got him?
finally-
Good one?
Yep, got him.
God, I don't want to laugh, but shit. What happened?
Nothing happened. I set the hook and he was on it.
Let me see your bait.
Nothing happened. He was on it, and then he wasn't. After I set the hook, he was on it.
I don't think your hook point was all the way out. Dang, dude. I wanted to see him.
I mean, you saw the line after I set the hook.
I did. Oh, man.
Dude, what is with my luck today, man?
I found like a lot of good bites on the cypress tree, like when they're up to the bank. If it's in decent water, like right there on the backside, on between the bank and the tree.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was talking about this morning. Well, I just figured out what the problem's been for setting the hook. How good did that feel to call it and everything?
Oh, God. That felt pretty good.
So my drag got turned all the way down.
Oh, dude.
All the way. So that is why that fish didn't get hooked hard. I set the hook
Oh,
and all
man,
it did was
dude.
full drag.
I don't know if he's going to measure.
Oh shit.
I called that one, though, didn't I?
You definitely called it. Nope. Yep, nope.
No, he touches. Got 3 little bitty ones in there.
And you know what worries me?
What?
It means that they're biting and somebody's probably
Oh,
got it.
no. At least we're getting bit, though, I guess. Just
Heck yeah.
fill out our limit. If we can fill out our limit before 10, then we got all that time. Probably throw something different.
Yeah.
I may throw like I was saying, swap that jig size up and then
Right,
put a bulky trailer on it or something.
Right. I was gonna have something worth mounting that log.
Oh, that cloud. No, I was swimming it.
You're swimming it.
Like swimming it back to the boat.
Okay, so let's do something with that.
I'm
You thinking they're more aggressive? They don't want jigs?
I'm thinking, what I was just thinking, I'm about to, I was thinking about getting that, throwing on a spinnerbait.
I don't know if he's gonna keep. God. 11.5. Come on. Hey, hold on, you're gonna lose all your slime. 11.5, too short. Yeah, I seen the bull come up and then I dropped it back down and he hit it.
Really?
Yeah.
So he was chasing behind it?
Yep. I made like 3 casts of that same tree before he bit it. Come on. Oh, yes, dude.
You're joking, right?
That was, it was like my 3rd. Oh, yes.
Alright, alright. Heck yeah.
Little changes, little changes. I thought maybe since that wind started blowing, they...
Mm-hmm.
God, he got it good.
Good call, man.
But the only thing is,
What?
don't know if he's gonna measure. Got another little tiny one in the live well. What is that? That's 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a spinnerbait I used at the first tournament when I caught them fish.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's beat up, but still works good. Little zoom grub on the back of it.
Mm-hmm.
Just as soon as I hit the back of the tree, I just let it sink a few, and then I just slowly started rolling back, and he hit it.
Slowly rub it back?
Yeah, I was just barely. That was only like my 3rd cast with it too. He's too small, I think. 1/4 inch short. Oh god, small, I swear.
Would that have made 5?
That would have been 5.
Oh.
There's a good one.
You're joking.
No, he's not good. Gosh, man, come on.
He's long enough.
I don't think he's long enough.
This is the laziest thing ever.
Let's keep her number 5. Remember, white's our smallest.
Yes. Yeah.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Got it.
That's a good one, dude.
Yep, yep, yep.
Put him up here. Yes.
Dude, yes. Yes.
Dude, he barely can. He should measure, huh?
I think so. He's got
Let
a
me-
scar on his side too.
Let me get us away from right here. I think we done figured something out.
Thank you, Dustin. Yes, sir. Hey, and I was doing exactly like you said too, like twitch, pause, let it sink, reel, you know.
All right.
Nice.
All right, let's measure. I think I'm pretty sure he's gonna measure. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Let's see. We'll put
The
it.
white one out.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait. Let's.
I'm not gonna touch anything.
Let's see. Let's go ahead and put him on a different. We'll put him on orange. So I think right now this is our heaviest.
Okay.
Is on orange.
How many inches did you measure?
A little bit over 12. So we'll get White out. Alright, go ahead and close it. It's a good little coil.
Being out help us get bites.
Nah, I don't think the sun. I think it was main thing was the wind.
Yeah, yeah, I know about the wind. Oh, that's what I was gonna ask. Is there like sky conditions that you look for whenever throwing a spinnerbait?
Yeah, I don't like throwing them if it's I will, but like if it's straight bluebird skies.
You don't throw.
Oh, dude, I just missed him. I don't know. It kind of just depends. Sometimes I feel it and sometimes I don't.
Yeah. I didn't know if there was a rule of thumb that I didn't know about.
There he is.
Get him. Good stuff. Well,
Yeah, he's not gonna help us. Oh, there's a better one.
oh yeah, that's the biggest so far, I think. What do you think?
He may be.
Why do they look so big to me at first until like you've got them lipped?
We're going to have to do some measuring and stuff right now.
Every now and then, but
That one goes back. This is getting tough now, dude.
fish are weird, man.
Sometimes it's all about timing.
Yeah. Absolutely. Ross is 5 feet right here.
There's a good one, I think. Oh, that's a better one. I'm not gonna flip him because my spinnerbait's starting to bend. Come here, you little. There we go, dude. That's definitely the biggest right there.
That's definitely the biggest by far. By far.
What was
I
it?
hope he measures. No, I'm playing.
What was orange was the smallest? Watch the rod. See if you can hold on to that pole for us so we don't move.
Of course, yeah.
So orange went from being our biggest to our smallest. That's a good call right there, dude.
Bye, buddy. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Dude.
Ah, dude, that hurt when he just finned me.
Where'd he get you at?
Like right here in the freaking dome.
In that crease.
Yeah. God. Man, dude, I'm so glad we started throwing these spinnerbaits, dude. That's probably just saved the day. This thing's barely hanging on, but I probably should go ahead and retie. Same little dude. New little skirt on it from the chatterbait, and then all this, dude. Just getting the blades are all bent. Dude, this thing's been through it all. There's a guy that I work with that you've had a meat pie, huh? You've ate meat pies?
Yeah.
Good one.
Is that one eating a meat pie?
Good one. I think he may be a meat pie though. Stay down, stay down. He's like the same size as the other one, I think.
You want me to whip it?
Yeah, go ahead and get him for me.
Yeah.
He's not that big, but I don't want to take my chance on flipping him. Oh! Just grab him if you...
I'm about to just grab it. I could pull it.
My spinnerbait's wore out, I think. Is he gonna help?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it'll help. Look at the belly.
Ah, man. About to give this spinnerbait a kiss. Let's try it. Now let's figure out which one's the
I love that
smallest.
smell.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you made it this far, I just kind of show you guys what bait we were using, what spinnerbait this is. It's a little 3/8 ounce Hack Attack Strike King spinnerbait. The little gold blade and the painted blade. I love the little painted blades in stained water. I feel like it kind of gives the fish something different. I feel like it hones them in on the bait a little bit better. And I love throwing a Strike King grub. I think this is it's a Zoom grub, I'm sorry. I love throwing those on the back of the spinnerbait. You just want to make sure you turn your tail away from the hook so it doesn't get in the way of it. Just slow rolling this stuff around trees. I think all the fish we caught on the spinnerbait called out all the fish we had early in the morning. In the video you guys saw me, I don't know if you guys heard me call it a Frankenstein spinnerbait. I just called it that because it's all beat up. This is actually a chatterbait skirt. I had a fish and I flipped him in the boat and he threw my skirt off. So I just took an old skirt off a chatterbait, put it on there, and it worked good. I still caught plenty of fish on it. And overall, it was a good day with this thing. This thing probably saved the day for us. And just want to tell you guys, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, like I said in the beginning, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video. And be on the lookout for more.